Your next car could be the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado HD. Aim higher than ever in the all-new Silverado pickup, the truck that digs deep to give you more of what you want and need. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, alarm, auto-dimming rearview mirror. Feel confident and relaxed in the all-new Silverado. Take it out for a road test and fall in love.